Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create playlist on TikTok. So guys, if you're new to our YouTube channel, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you tap on your TikTok app to open it. So guys, once your TikTok app opens, the next step that you need to take is to tap on your TikTok profile icon. You can see it there at the bottom right corner. You tap on it. Then you tap on the three horizontal bar at the top right corner. Tap on it. Then you tap on Creators Tools. You tap on it. Then under the Creators Tools, in the general setting, we have three options. You're going to tap on the playlist option, which is the third option. Then you tap on it. So guys, here you are telling you how to create a playlist. First step, you have to name your playlist. Then second step, you have to add a video to your playlist. So guys, let's go ahead to create a playlist. First of all, you tap on Start Creating. Then over here, you're going to name your playlist. Let me call it TikTok Tutorial. Then you tap on Next. Then here you're required to add a video. To choose a video from your list of videos in your TikTok account. So let me choose this and this one over here. Once you're done choosing the video that you want to put in the playlist, you tap on Done. So guys, you can see playlist created. Wow guys, you can see our playlist here. The name of the playlist is TikTok Tutorial and we have 3 videos under it. So guys, you can also go further to make other edition. You can tap on the 3 dots at the top, tap on it. You can see here you can also edit your playlist. You can change your playlist name and you can also share your playlist to your friends on TikTok or other persons on TikTok. So guys, let me show you where you can actually see your playlist again. When you go over to your TikTok profile, you can see now we now have our playlist option at the top. You can see it now. You can tap on it. Then you'll be able to see your TikTok playlist. Also, if you want to add a new playlist again, what you have to do now is to go over to your TikTok profile. Then you tap on the plus icon there. You can see it there. Tap on it. Then you can go ahead again to name your playlist and go through the process I just showed you. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe you've got value from it. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye. Peace.